In the early days of our solar system, billions of years ago, the Earth was not alone. A mysterious planet called Theia was traveling in an orbit very close to our young Earth. Scientists believe Theia was about the size of Mars, and it formed at nearly the same distance from the Sun as Earth. For millions of years, both planets moved around the Sun, until something catastrophic happened. About 4.5 billion years ago, Theia collided with Earth in one of the most violent events in the history of our solar system. The impact was so powerful that it melted huge parts of the Earth's surface and sent massive amounts of rock into space. But this destruction created something new. The debris from the collision slowly came together and formed the Moon. The same moon we see in the sky today. This theory is called the giant impact hypothesis, and it is the most accepted explanation for how the Moon was created. Some scientists believe that parts of Theia may still exist deep inside the Earth's core, hidden far below the surface. This means that our planet may still carry pieces of the world it destroyed billions of years ago. So every time you look at the Moon, remember, it may be the last remaining piece of a lost planet called Theia, and without that collision, Earth as we know it might never have existed. If you love space mysteries and the secrets of our universe, subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey through space. New space documentaries every week. Subscribe now and explore the universe with us.